this is Study Tejas. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, Our Environment from ISSO workbook. So let's start. So first question, which season is shown in the picture? So this is autumn, means the autumn is the correct answer. Then second question, which of the following will help to keep our environment clean? So not wasting paper, yes. Then throwing waste in covered bins, yes. Then planting trees, yes, means D, all of this is the correct answer. So third question, what happens when people dump waste from homes or factories into oceans, lakes or rivers? So it kills animal living there, yes. Then it kills plants living there, yes. Then it pollutes the water and makes it unfit for drinking, so yes, means D, all of this is the correct answer. Then fourth question, 3Rs rule for conservation of environment means reduce, reuse and recycle. So here is reduce, reuse and recycle means B is the correct answer. So fifth question, dash can cause noise pollution. So honking vehicles can cause noise pollution means B, honking vehicles is the correct answer. Then sixth question, it rains heavily during this season. Children love to play in the puddles and sell paperboards. Which season is it? So it is monsoon, means A, monsoon is the correct answer. Then seventh question, select the incorrect statement. Both living and non-living things make up our environment. So this is correct statement. Then the air we breathe in, the water we drink and the place we live in are part of our environment. So this is also correct. Then polythene bags pollute the environment. So this is also correct, means D, none of this is the correct answer. So eighth question, which of the following is used for producing hydroelectricity? So for producing hydroelectricity, water is used, means sea water is the correct answer. The ninth question, which day is celebrated as World Water Day? So 22nd March is celebrated as World Water Day, means A, 22nd March is the correct answer. Then 10th question, which of the following places has a cool climate? So Srinagar and Darjeeling has cool climate, means D, both A and B is the correct answer. Then 11th question, which of the following mixes with air when we sneeze? So germs are mixes with air, then we sneeze, means B, germs is the correct answer. Then 12th question, which of the following is not a correct use of water? So water is needed for drinking, so this is a correct use. Then fishes need water for breathing, so this is also correct use. Then farmer need water to grow crops, so this is also correct use. Then water is needed to lit fire, so this is not a correct use, means D is the correct answer. Then 13th question, check the correct match. So monsoon hills and mountains are covered with snow, so this is wrong because hills and mountains are covered with snow in winter, but here is given monsoon, means this is wrong. Then B, winter, sun shines hot and bright, this is wrong because sun shines hot and bright in summer, but here is given winter, means this is also wrong. Then summer streets become flooded with water, so this is wrong because streets have become flooded with water in monsoon, but here is given summer. Then spring, there is greenery all around, so this is the correct. So 14th question, dash is the most preferred fabric of summer season and it absorbs sweat and keeps the body cool. So it is the most preferred fabric of summer, means this is cotton, and it also absorbs sweat and keeps the body cool, means C is the correct answer. Then 15th question, which of the following activities causes land pollution? Throwing polythene bags in open, so this can cause land pollution, means A is the correct answer. Then 16th question, Tanushree teacher taught in the class to use environment friendly bags for shopping. Tanushree went to the shop with her mother to buy such a bag. Which of the following should she choose? So first option, jute bag. So jute bag is an environment friendly bag, means A, jute bag is the correct answer. So 17th question, dash does not cause water pollution. Sewage waste, it causes water pollution. Then washing clothes in river, so this also cause water pollution. Then bathing of animals in river, so this also cause water pollution. Then burning dry leaves of the garden. So this causes air pollution. Means D is the correct answer. Then 18th question. Excessive noise pollution can cause dash in humans. So excessive noise pollution can cause deafness in humans. Means C, deafness is the correct answer. The 19th question. Select the odd one out on the basis of type of pollution they cause. So firecrackers, it causes noise pollution and air pollution. Then bonfire, it causes air pollution. Means sneezing also causes air pollution. But water does not cause any type of pollution. Means C, water is the correct answer. So 20th question. Which of the following acts can save our environment? Planting plants, trees inside and outside the house? Yes. Then prefer cycling or taking a walk instead of using motor vehicles? So yes. Then saving water by using mug and bucket instead of shower for bathing? So yes, means D, all of this is the correct answer. Now Achievers section. 21st question. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the option that correctly identifies X and Y. So X is the activity that causes noise pollution and air pollution. So throwing domestic waste in sea. So this cause only water pollution. Then burning firecrackers, yes, because it causes noise pollution and air pollution both. Then Y is the activity that causes air pollution only. Means releasing smoke from factories, it causes only air pollution. Means B is the correct answer. So 22nd question. Match the columns and select the correct option. So weather can change every day. Then climate, so remains same for several years. Then season remains same for few months. And then flood, excess water covers the land. Then now let's check the answer. So A, third. So here is A third and here is A third. Means option can be from A or D. Then climate 4. So here is climate 4 but here is climate first. Means A is the correct answer. Then 23rd question. Given below is a list of festivals. Select the option that correctly categorizes them according to the season they fall in. So spring. So Holi, Baisakhi and Vasant Panchami fall in spring. Then autumn. So autumn is autumn Dasera. And then in winter there is Christmas. Means D is the correct answer. Then 24th question. Refer to the given statement and select the option that identifies the correct ones. So water vapors cool down to form clouds. So true. Then boiling kills most of the germs present in water. True. Then water from wells and tube wells is used for generating electricity. False. And then drinking water should always be covered while storing. So true. Means first, second and fourth is correct. Means B is the correct answer. So 25th question. Unscramble the given set of letters to obtain the name of a fruit. So this is a mango. Then in which of the following seasons is this fruit found in abundance? So mango is in summer. Means B, summer is the correct answer. So फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना. थैंक यू.